Some happier news. It is a nice afternoon.
It is beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sure is. We're off to a pretty good start. After a pretty good weekend, Saturday was a little bit, yeah, if you didn't mind the wind, it was all right, I guess, but it was kind of chilly. It is really nice out there now, partly cloudy, and it is 75 degrees. We had some low clouds and patchy light fog this morning, but the afternoon hours have just been super, and our evening will be super too. From 75 right now to about 69 degrees is all at 8 o'clock. At 10 o'clock tonight, we're still running in the mid-60s. Thanks to the increased moisture and southerly winds in the atmosphere that will keep us unseasonably mild all night long. Around the area right now, 79 out in Llano. 73 in Burnet and in Georgetown and in San Marcos. And off to the east, you see low and mid-70s. There's 70 in LaGrange. Partly cloudy. And 75 in Austin. Out at the airport, it's 76 degrees, and skies are partly cloudy there as well. Pretty breezy. South-southeast winds at 15 miles per hour in the city. South wind at 21 miles per hour out at the airport. Sunset tonight at 6:34. In your allergy forecast, the count today was low with mold. Oak and elm combining to make 54 grains per cubic meter of air, a medium concentration. Individually, they were each low. Ash low and hackberry low. And now the forecast for Tuesday, I think everything's going to be just a little bit higher with all the wind around today and the afternoon sunshine, then afternoon sun tomorrow with a little bit of a southwest wind. Ought to stir things up a little bit. On the weather map, colorful temperature map, isn't it? 48 up in Amarillo. There's the front that's going to be coming our way here in a couple of days. 64 in Dallas, 68 in Houston. Why the temperature contrast here? This area has been under clouds all day. This area has seen a lot of sunshine, so a little warmer there in San Angelo at 83 degrees. And you can see that very plainly here on the view from space. There are your clouds in West Texas, clouds in North Texas. The gray shades represent the low cloudiness that has remained in place in East Texas all day, though we did finally break out of that cloud cover. And here is our next weather maker. It's just in the organizing stages right now. Some rain and some mountain snows flying. This low will get better organized as it tracks right across Oklahoma tomorrow. It will drag a dry line / Pacific front through our area tomorrow afternoon. Before the front gets here, though, tonight, we'll likely see, this isn't really so much rain as it is some patchy drizzle forming in the area overnight with this really strong onshore flow. Rush hour in the morning begins with maybe a light rain shower, a little drizzle on your windshield, a little light fog still in the area. Then that dry line pushes through by the lunch hour, if not before. Our winds go southwesterly ahead of the dry line. Some thunderstorms may try to form down into our eastern counties, but we think most of that will remain up in northeast Texas. But with that dry air coming in here, it will be much warmer. We'll probably get into the low 80s tomorrow afternoon from the metro counties westward out into the hill country. And then the cooler air will settle in tomorrow night and early Wednesday morning, but it will still turn out to be a nice day on Wednesday. Just a bit cooler for your Fat Tuesday Mardi Gras celebrations tonight, tomorrow night rather, out on 6th Street or downtown or wherever you happen to be. A little cooler, not real cold. Okay, tonight, upper 50s, low 60s. These are the low temperatures, not all that cool. Tomorrow, many locations getting to 80 or above with that dry air coming in behind that little Pacific system. Not much rain with it, I'm afraid to say. 62 tonight. Low clouds will move back in here real quickly a little bit later with these breezy south-southeast winds off the Gulf. Could start the day looking a little like this early in the morning. And then the sun comes out as the skies clear from west to east, and an afternoon high of 82 as those winds shift to the southwest. 7-day forecast. A little early morning rain, and we're looking good. About 10 degrees cooler on Wednesday. A couple of cool mornings in the 40s. South by Southwest, the big 10 days in Austin, Texas, kicks off on Friday, and we got a good-looking weekend. Just a slight chance of a shower on Sunday. We may have a better chance of some showers or thunderstorms about 1 week from today. But I think our visitors from